Always use fresh and vibrant green leaves for best aroma and flavor to make your moi moi. Take care when you are washing it so that it doesn't get torn and you can be able to use it properly when cooking. Also, moi moi leaves, they are known for their health benefits. It's believed to have antioxidant properties. It helps the digestive health, low calorie, natural flavor. If you see the flavor, I mean the aroma when you use it to cook, man, it's very nice. The aroma is aromine. It's also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. They are non-toxic, because they are free from harmful chemicals, which ensures that there's a healthier cooking process compared to when you use synthetic materials. They are heat resistant. The leaves help retain nutrients in the moi moi by evenly distributing heat during cooking, preserving its nutritional value. And these leaves, they are believed to in some African traditions, this plant from which the leaves are derived, they are believed to be used for treating certain ailments, like diarrhea, like wounds, due to its antibacterial properties. So it enhances the dishes that you make with it. Some people use it for moi moi. Some people use it for rice. Use it to make different types of food in different parts of Africa. It also brings environmental benefits. Because they are easily disposed of, and when they are disposed of, they rot with ease. These leaves are believed to have antibiotics that help to combat free radicals. Yes, free radicals in the body, and it reduces the risk of chronic diseases. And also it aids digestion, promoting a healthy gut. So its natural aroma is so unique. I mean, for me, if there's no moi moi leaves, I would not make moi moi, because I don't like all these other foil paper, nylon wrappers, that people use for the moi moi. That's why most times I eat moi moi that is made in my house. And guess what? You see this moi moi leaves, when I clean them, when I clean these fresh leaves, when I'm cleaning, if there's anyone that looks like it's not good enough, I dispose those ones. But you see this one that I'm cleaning now, when I clean it, I will not use everything at once. I'll share them. The part I want to use, I'll use it. The part I don't want to use, I will just wrap it up with, we call them nylon in Africa, all these paper bags. I just wrap it up and put it in my fridge, not freezer. And you won't believe this thing can spend months. It can spend months, because where I am in the UK, they are expensive. Like these ones I'm watching now, it costs £3. Thanks for watching.